Hi guys, this video is about the dolphin boat tours last weekend. As you see, we're inside a boat going for the dolphin, to watch the dolphin. This is Fungie the dolphin. They call him Fungie. The name of this place is Dingle in Co.kerry, Ireland, where you can see Fungie the dolphin. Hello everybody, thank you for watching with us. Now we're inside the boat trying to look where Fungie is. Shouting. Did you see that? Yeah. It's you. Fungie, come on, jump more! Jump to our boat! Sorry for the loud noise. Yeah. Near that boat, jumping together, you didn't see? Come on, Mark! Please! Where is he now? Fungie, come on! Thank you! See it? But I think Fungie is old already. He couldn't jump higher. And I was so loud screaming. It's just nice. Yeah, it does, because I saw it on TV. I was so into watching Fungie jumping, so cute. But why only? He's alone. Yeah.
He was just there again.
Yeah?
Yeah. Everybody went there.
There! Did you see that? They're very near. Come on, jump over them. Where is he now? Fungie is gone. It's really big. Dino, look at this side. See this side. There. Where is he now? Nobody knows.
No, he's following this one. He's gone. He's supposed to take off.
Oh, there! The other side. Fungie has been living here in this place since 1983, before I was born. So he's old now. This side, the other side. Even if Fungie wasn't jumping a lot, maybe he's even tired. It's 3 p.m. and the boat tour started 7 o'clock in the morning. So maybe he's a little bit tired already at this time. But still, the view is amazing. It's really worth it. For an adult, the boat tour is 18 euro. No, sorry, 16 euro, and for the child it's 8 euro. So for the boat tour, per adult is 16 euro. It's like 933 Filipino peso per adult, and the child is 8 euro. It is 8.50. So it's like 400 something per child. But it's really incredible. The scenery is so lovely. Yeah. Where is he? He's tired now.
He's tired.